Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. In today's video, we're going to focus on percent. Percent is actually out of 100. So basically, anytime you see percent, just think about the whole is 100%, and then the part is actually the percent. Okay, so when it says write the percent of the figure that is shaded, so you want to always verify that it is a 100 grid, because if it's out of 50, that's how they can trick you. So I'm going to count, and it's a 10 by 10, which is 100. And so that means 62 are shaded, so my percent is 62. Next one, we're modeling 27. It is a 10 by 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to shade 27 of them. That's 27%. All right, now if you want to find it as a fraction, remember, it's out of 100. So you ask yourselves, how does 50 become 100? You scale it by 2. So you're going to scale the numerator by 2. So it'd be just working it out the way I think kids would. So that's 74%. How many 25s are in 100? 4. So we're going to scale it by 4. This is 36%. So here's another way. It's up to you. 20 does go into 100 evenly, but if you were not sure, you could always scale down the denominators. So half of 20 is 10. Half of 100 is 50. And then you might be able to easily see, oh, I can now go from 10 to 50, scale it by 5, scale this by 5, and this is actually 95. Okay, how does 10 become 100? Well, if I scale it by 10, I get 100. Scale the top by 10, and that becomes, oops, I don't know why I wrote 30%. Okay, here's another one. So it's, how does 5 become 100? Because remember, you want equivalent fractions is really what you're doing. Scale it by 20. Scale 40, 4 by 20, and you're going to get 80. This is percent. We'll scale 4 by 25 because 4 times 25 will give me 100. Scale the top, or the 1 by 25, and it gets 25%. Okay, here it's a number line, but typically I like to use percent bars, but that's okay. So from 0 all the way here is 100%. So if that's 100%, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this, if all 10 of them are 100%, then that means each of these is 10%. So, and that's going to lead us right here, and we can kind of stop. How many groups of 10% do I have? 9, so that means this is 90%. Now you can also look at it like this. How does 10 become 100? Scale it by 10. And then you're also going to scale this by 10, because this is 9, and that gives you 90%. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope it helped.